Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone for the official over-the-air update. Back up your important data to cloud or local storage before you begin. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular charges and interruptions. Plug the phone into a charger and ensure the battery reads at least 50% before starting. Free up space if the update requires additional room. Confirm you have sufficient storage and a steady connection for a secure update experience. Open Settings, then tap System, then choose System Update to check for updates. Tap Check for updates and wait while the phone queries the servers. Review the displayed download size and install time estimate before proceeding. Start the download only on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. Keep the device plugged in and at or above 50% battery during the download. Do not power off the phone while the update is downloading or installing. After the download finishes, tap Install Now and allow the device to reboot to complete installation. The phone will reboot multiple times and show progress while applying the update. When finished, unlock the phone and open Settings, then About Phone to verify the new Android version and security patch level. If apps misbehave, clear app cache or restart the device to refresh processes. If installation fails repeatedly, boot into recovery mode or contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.